Hazrat Safwan bin Yala bin Umayyah has reported from his father, Hazrat Yala bin Umayyah radiyallahu anhu. During the battle of Tabuk, I fought along with the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Hazrat Yala says, I consider my participation in this battle as my most reliable deed. Ata says that Hazrat Safwan radiyallahu anhu said that then Hazrat Yala said, I had a servant. He had a fight with a man and one of them bit the hand of the other. Ata says that Hazrat Safwan told me who had bitten the hand of the other, but I have forgotten it. He says one of them whose hand had been bitten drew his hand out of the mouth of the one who bit, which dislodged his front tooth. The both of them took their case to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, but he sallallahu alaihi wasallam did not impose any retaliation for his tooth. Ata says that perhaps Safwan told me that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, should he be to leave his hand in your mouth so that you must chew it like a camel. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4417.